Hello, everybody. In this section, we are going to talk about how to open our first project in Expert Advisor and write a simple project which give us an alert, and this alert contain a message known as a hello world. It is somehow tradition to start our first coding in any languages to with having an alert known as a hello world. So in this section, we are going to do that. To open the meta editor, first of all, we must click on this tab, or we can press F4. By clicking on this tab, we can see the windows of meta editor. This place contain navigator. In navigator, we have some branches. For example, experts, files, images, includes, indicators, libraries, and so on. These three would be the most important ones: experts, includes, and projects. As you may be familiar with the indicators, this folder contains those indicators that we can find in the MetaTrader. We can have some indicators for ourselves and code them, but I usually use them in the experts, not in the indicators. The differences between experts and scripts are that in the scripts, the code that is written in the navigator in MetaTrader, we have such things. The scripts folder are here and the experts are here. The most important difference between scripts and expert is that when you code, when you have some code in the scripts, they only would be run one time, and it is when you add it to the screen. But for the expert, we have something different, and the script code, the expert's code would be run each time when the price change. And we somehow said that we would run our code on each tick. So this was the most important difference between scripts and Expert Advisor. To have our new project, we click on the file and press new file. In this window, we can choose which one we want to have. I press on script because I want to have a code that it would run once. The name is hello world. Press finish button and we have the coding window here. Between these two brackets, we write our code, and it is simple code. Alert. Alert is a predefined function. Predefined function is something that is written by the MQL by itself. And when we use them, they have their code, but we can't see them. We only use their results. What they do, if you want to know what they do, we double click on them and press F1 button, and this window would be open. This is a help window. It is said that alert displays a message in a separate windows. It means that a windows will be open, and in that windows we have our message. Which message? The message that we write here, like that. We would open two parentheses, and in the parentheses we have two quotation marks. Between those quotation marks, we will write our message, which is first project, for example, and hello world. We must have a semicolon after the code, after each line, and then after we write the code, we must press compile. We have hello world project in MQL file. With pressing compile, a file based on the machine language would be generated. So after compiling our code in meta editor, a file in the branch of scripts would be appear in the MetaTrader. In the MetaTrader, windows and in navigator place. A hello world is appear now. With dragging and drop it in the share or pair window, we can have our message. As you can see, as soon as I drag it and drop it on the window, a new window named alert is opened, and a message which is the message that we wrote on alert is appeared. The message is first project hello world, and the time is 29:24. So in this lesson, we learned how to open a new project and what alert would do. A predefined function named alert and its performance. And we learned about what is the differences between expert advisors and scripts. So each week we try to have several video and upload them. So if you are interested in the subject of MQL language and how to write a robot and have an algorithmic trading, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so you would receive a notification whenever we upload new videos. Thank you everybody. Have a good time.